Hi. How you doing today? Welcome back. My name's Alyssa. So if you are new to the family, join. And if you are not, continue to join. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so for this video, as I kind of saw today's title, we got another one. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? So, anywho, shout outs at the end. I have not done shout outs in so long, but y'all know they're back. So, if you have recently requested a shout out or recently asked for one, it will be at the end of this video. So, yeah, we have a new thing. Just got this in the mail day, so we finna see what this is. We got a budget binder. So, yeah. So, for this video, I'm going to be reviewing what this is. I've never had one before, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's in it. It's not opened yet. So, I'm going to be just doing a review, showing you all what I have, what's in here, my opinion, and etc. etc. So, let's go and get started. Alright. So, ooh. And y'all know me, I'm a very, very independent young lady. I like my money to be secure, especially when you ain't got a trillion different bank accounts. You know what I'm saying? This is some financial stuff. This is financial, y'all. You hear me? Financial. So yes, if y'all like to have money put up and you need somewhere it's safe and pretty to keep it in, get y'all one of these. You know what I'm saying? And by the way, TikTok. Thank you to TikTok. TikTok's the reason why I got this. And I did not get this from the TikTok account. But anyways, let's get started. So, we have one of these. It's put your money in this, the pocket, the binder, the little, that's nice. You got your little credit card. You got your little pen. You know, servers use these. We got another one. Let's see what this is. How do you open it? Oh. I love doing this, y'all. It's so fun. Alrighty, here's where the fun comes in. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So we have our envelopes. We have our mini ones. Oh, there's a bunch of them too. Okay. So we have a bunch of these. There's about 2, 4, it's like 10 of these that come in them. We've got little of these. And we have these. So, you know, we got the little budget sheet, you know what I'm saying? Go play with y'all. Yeah, you got the little budget sheet. All right, easy, though, okay? We got the little stickers that go on the envelopes. These are all the same. We got the subscription, you know what I'm saying? Eating out if you're trying to get chubby, you know what I'm saying? You got the Christmas. Education. We got savings, income, concerts. I don't even do concerts. Vacations. I don't even do vacations. Housing, you know what I'm saying? We got a utility, you know what I'm saying? We got a clothing, you know what I'm saying? Medical, insurance, you know what I'm saying? Easy, they can do rent, car, you know what I'm saying? Food, your debt, gifts, dating, you know what I'm saying? Shopping, get your bags, sis. Personal, haircuts, don't even do haircuts. Cosmetics, you know what I'm saying? We got I don't know what that says. Membership fee, you know? Yeah, that's what it said. Is that a subscription? I got 2 in here. Anyways, Black Friday. They got Black Friday on here? They got Black Friday. That's crazy. Transportation, you know what I'm saying? Emergency fund. Entertainment. We got a bar? I don't know what that says. Bar? Anyways, games, movies, beauty. I don't know what that says. What does that say? Anyways, I'm painting the movies. So, we're going to go ahead and label these on here. I'm going to go and separate these, see which ones I want to use first, because I don't even know. And I'm going to do, like, when I put these on my envelopes, the ones that I'm probably going to use the most is what I'm going to have for the first 3 of these. So, like, a car, you know, I'm going to get a car. So, I'm going to put that on here first. How do I take these off? Wait. How do I do that? Is there instructions on it somewhere? No. Well, how do I take this off? That's weird. Oh, wait. Got the little, it's nice, isn't it? Okay. So, why are these coming off? Well, if I can, oh, there we go. Oh, well, okay. This is, we got rent and car. So, I'm going to label this first one on here. So, I'm just going to label it like this. I have really, really, really bad OCD, y'all. So, my perfection to apply this has to be perfect. Because if it's not perfect, so something like this. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. Can I, like, draw on this? Not draw on this, but. So, we got ring first. Try to be out that. I'm not really in debt, so I don't gotta put that. Okay, so I'm guessing groceries. There's a grocery somewhere. See, I was playing around. I wasn't really trying to read these. Let me see if I got groceries. If I got groceries, then why do I have food in? Bro, look, okay, okay. Let me see, cause did I have groceries in grocery somewhere in here? Cause ain't groceries like another thing for like food or something? Anyways, education. You know, the education is important. So I'm gonna add that on there. Oh, this is a lot of work. Let's see. So education. Put that on there smoothly. You know what I'm saying? There we go. So we got these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this off camera, then I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna show y'all the finished look. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna make this pretty short, but here's what my budget binder looks like now. When you open it, I have my pen. You can always add your credit cards and stuff like that. This light is open for extra change or anything. So for my car, I have like the date, and this is what I just did for now, so I can like figure out something better than the car, and then like how much you want to put in there for your balance. And then in the back, I have your total to save. With insurance, same thing. You can put your date, like the day you got that money, and then like your insurance, how much, and both, and then put the amount you want in there. And then like for rent, you can put your rent. And then for like entertainment, you could put like Wi-Fi or whatever you use for like entertainment. So I'm gonna edit this a little bit better and just show y'all. And like for utilities, you could put like whatever your utilities come with. And then what is this one? This one says food. So whatever food you get, I guess it's another word for grocery, because I do not have groceries on here. So you can put like food, like whatever you eat, you can put that on there as well. Education, for the ladies, we like to go to cosmetology school, so you can put education for that. You can put like right here something just so you have a reminder. Or like if you want to do barber school, whatever, you can add that on there as well. Transportation, like right at the Target, Ubers, whatever you want to put, you can obviously label those. I have extras back here. I have about like a bunch more that I did not use because I did not have. I think I came with 10 of these. These had about 20 or 30. So I have more of these. So if I have more, like if I'm gonna go to like the store and get more like many of these, or get like the white envelopes, you have like offices, you can put those on there. Get you some envelopes, put these stickers on the envelopes, you can add them onto your thing. But this is what I have. So yeah. Okay, so this is the end for my video. I did that little tutorial separate or whatever. So here's the finished product. I'm going to continue to fill this up a little bit more and get this more organized, sort of to show y'all what I did and all that. So for today's shout outs, we have a few. We have Just for Dora on Instagram, so go follow her. And then we have Jay Fazo. Go follow him on, I think it's on like YouTube or something like that. I'm not sure. So yes, I have more shout outs coming soon. So if you have asked for a shout out and you did not get your shout out in this video, please comment them again so I can stay updated. Because if y'all comment y'all and all that stuff, that I can get them and I can put them in the video. So shout outs are somewhere on the screen. There will also be linked in the description. So if you did not see it on the screen, it will be in the description. So yes, if you want to shout out, you know what to do. Thank you guys for my new 10, 12 new followers on YouTube. That's how you get your shout out. If you want to know how you get a shout out, you just subscribe, comment, whatever, comment, subscribe, do follow, whatever you want to do, and then you'll get your shout out. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And then I will link everything I have in this, from this, I will link that in the description below. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact me. My information with me and my description as well. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in a few days. Or y'all hear from me back in a few days. Yeah.